For our standing hip strengthening series, we can also use the door frame for stability, where you keep your hands on the door frame for balance until we get stronger on the single leg, and then finally doing this exercise with less and less hand force on the door frame until finally hands just above the door frame for support. If we start in a single leg position, we can abduct the straight leg to the side where we can slowly go out, pause, and come back in. We don't need to go very far for this exercise. 6 inches will start making that glute minimus work. We're just trying to activate the muscle groups but keeping the back neutral. We don't have to hinge, so we're able to put strength into these muscle groups without any negative forces into the back. Finally, we can move the leg straight backwards, where we're going to go and start using our glute max as we're reaching backwards. Once again, we can start small with only a few inches, coming forward and then kicking backwards. The next exercise is moving the leg at a 45-degree angle back to the side to engage that glute medius. So bring the leg in and then out at a 45-degree angle, touching the ground as you need for support. As you get stronger, try keeping the foot in the air. And come back in. The next step up would be putting a rubber band around the knees to make the exercise even harder.